Hello there, my friend. I'm glad you're here. Let's have a conversation about something extraordinary, something that has the power to completely transform the way you live your life. It's called the law of attraction, and it's not just a theory or a fleeting idea, it's a fundamental principle that governs the way our universe works. Let's break it down together, step by step, so you can truly understand how it applies to you. The law of attraction is straightforward. You attract into your life whatever you focus on. This means that your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs are like magnets. What you constantly think about, what you deeply feel, and what you truly believe will manifest in your reality. It's not magic, it's the way energy works. Everything, including your thoughts and emotions, has a vibration. Like vibrations attract like vibrations. When you focus on positive outcomes, you align yourself with the energy of those outcomes, and they begin to appear in your life. You might be wondering, does this really work? Yes, it does, but there's a catch. It's not just about thinking happy thoughts or saying positive affirmations, it's about aligning your entire being with what you want. If your mind says one thing but your heart feels another, you're sending mixed signals. The universe responds to the vibration you emit as a whole, not just your surface-level desires. Let's start with your thoughts. Your mind is incredibly powerful. Every thought you have sends out a signal, and that signal attracts similar energy back to you. If you constantly think about lack, stress, or negativity, you'll attract more situations that match those feelings. On the other hand, if you focus on abundance, peace, and joy, you'll begin to see those things more often in your life. It's not always instantaneous, but the shift begins the moment you change your focus. Now, let's talk about feelings. Your emotions are the fuel behind your thoughts. It's not enough to think about what you want, you need to feel as though you already have it. When you experience the joy, gratitude, and excitement of having your desires fulfilled, even before they manifest, you align yourself with their energy. This is the sweet spot where the magic happens. For example, if you desire financial abundance, don't focus on the lack of money. Instead, feel grateful for the money you already have and imagine how it feels to live a life of financial freedom. Belief is the next critical element. You must believe, without a shadow of a doubt, that what you want is possible and that it's already on its way to you. Doubt is a powerful blocker. When you're filled with doubt, you're essentially telling the universe, I'm not sure if I can have this, and the universe responds accordingly. Cultivate a strong, unwavering belief that you are worthy of what you desire and that it's already yours. Another key component of the law of attraction is action. You can't just sit back and expect things to fall into your lap. Taking inspired action is essential. This doesn't mean forcing things or working yourself to exhaustion. Inspired action feels natural and aligned. It's the nudge you feel to make a phone call, start a project, or take a step in a certain direction. Follow those nudges, even if they seem small. They are guiding you toward your desires. One of the best ways to practice the law of attraction is through visualization. Visualization is a tool that helps you create a mental picture of what you want. Close your eyes and imagine your desires as if they have already come true. Picture yourself living in your dream home, thriving in your ideal career, or enjoying fulfilling relationships. Make the image vivid and detailed. The more real it feels, the more power it has to attract what you want. Gratitude is another game changer. When you're grateful for what you already have, you're telling the universe, I'm open to receiving more. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, raising your vibration and aligning you with more things to be grateful for. Start a gratitude journal and write down at least 3 things you're thankful for every day. It's a simple practice, but it has a profound impact on your mindset and your energy. Let's address a common misconception. The law of attraction doesn't mean you'll never face challenges. Challenges are a part of life, but they're also opportunities for growth. When you encounter obstacles, don't focus on the problem, focus on the solution. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this, or how can I turn this situation around? Maintaining a positive, solution-focused mindset keeps your vibration high and helps you navigate through tough times. It's also important to surround yourself with positive influences. The people you spend time with, the media you consume, and the environment you live in all affect your vibration. Choose to be around people who uplift and inspire you. Fill your mind with uplifting books, music, and conversations. Create a space that feels good to be in. These small choices add up and create a powerful impact on your energy. Sometimes, people struggle with the law of attraction because they're too attached to the outcome. They focus so intently on what they want that they create a sense of desperation. Desperation is a low vibration state, and it repels what you're trying to attract. Instead, practice detachment. Trust that the universe knows the perfect timing and the best way to bring your desires to you. Let go of the how and focus on the why. Why do you want what you want? When you connect with the deeper reason, you can let go of the need to control every detail. Another practice that supports the law of attraction is affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce the beliefs you want to hold. For example, if you want to attract love, you might say, I am worthy of love, and I attract loving relationships effortlessly. Repeat your affirmations daily, and feel the truth of the words as you say them. Over time, these affirmations help reprogram your subconscious mind, aligning it with your desires. Let's talk about patience. The law of attraction isn't always instant. Some things take time to manifest because they require shifts in your energy, mindset, or circumstances. Be patient and persistent. Keep your focus on what you want, maintain a high vibration, and trust the process. The universe is always working behind the scenes to bring your desires to you. Remember, you are always attracting something. Whether it's what you want or what you don't want depends on where you place your focus. One way to build clarity is by visualizing your desired outcome. Visualization isn't just about picturing something in your mind, it's about immersing yourself in the experience of already having it. Close your eyes and imagine the details of your goal. What does it look like? How does it feel? Engaging your senses creates a powerful emotional connection, which amplifies the signal you're sending out. The stronger the emotion tied to your visualization, the more effectively you align yourself with the reality you want to create. Equally significant is gratitude. Gratitude acts as a multiplier for positive energy. When you appreciate what you already have, you shift your focus from lack to abundance. This shift creates a sense of fulfillment that naturally draws more good into your life. Start each day by listing a few things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big, even small things, like a warm cup of coffee or the sound of birds outside your window, can uplift your energy. This daily practice trains your mind to notice the positive aspects of life, keeping you aligned with a higher vibrational state. The law of attraction is a tool, and like any tool, it's most effective when used consistently and with intention. Start small. Choose one thing you want to manifest and practice aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with it. As you see results, your confidence in this principle will grow. This is your life, and you have the power to shape it. The law of attraction is not just an idea, it's a way of living with purpose and intention. Take these principles to heart and put them into practice. The more you align with what you truly desire, the more you'll see the evidence of this law in your life. You're capable of creating the reality you dream of. The universe is ready to support you every step of the way. Gradually, you'll notice shifts in your mindset and the opportunities around you. This isn't just theory, it's a practice you can incorporate into your daily routine to create real change. As you put these principles into action, remember to enjoy the process. Life isn't just about achieving goals, it's about experiencing each moment fully. The law of attraction invites you to align with your desires and live with intention, but it also encourages you to appreciate where you are right now. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel, and the more effortless your manifestations will become. If this message resonated with you, let me know by tapping the like button. Your support makes all the difference. Feel inspired by this content? Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss future discussions like this. Do you have friends or loved ones who could benefit from understanding the law of attraction? Share this video with them and help spread positivity. Want to stay updated? Turn on notifications after subscribing, and you'll be the first to know when new content is live. Finally, if you're ready to transform your mindset and attract your dreams, leave a comment below sharing one thing you're manifesting today. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you next time. Let's make life extraordinary together.